Welcome, in front of me is the UMIDIGI X, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, let's find it in our toggles. So, oops, didn't want to click that, go back. So if you do not see the hotspot toggle, basically the same way I don't, what you want to do is tap on this pencil right here, and then scroll down, and you should find it right here. All you need to do is hold it and then drag it over and go back, and it should be now in the toggles. So from here, let's hold the toggle too, and this will take us to the settings where we can customize it. So let's tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot and then start off by changing probably the most important part, which is the password. Now by default it's gonna set up some random password, not very easy to remember, so let's remove this one. And from here, input your password that you wish to set, which for me it's gonna be something simple. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. Then another 2 or 3 worth mentioning options. Hotspot name will be basically the name of the Wi-Fi that will be visible in the list. And then AP band. You have the option to select both in here, which is really nice, but basically the difference between them is you have the 2.4 and 5. 5 will be the better one. It's going to be faster connection and also stronger, so it won't be easily disrupted by some appliances and stuff like that. Now in here I would suggest to select both of them, assuming you have the ability, and then if your device doesn't support the 5 GHz Wi-Fi, then it simply will choose the 2.4 instead. And then lastly we have the maximum connections. So in here by default set to 6. You can set it up to 10, but honestly I don't think whoever's using hotspot will be connecting 10 different users or 6. So let's set it up to something a little bit more reasonable, like 2, because I'm not planning to run a server on this phone. And from there you have the last toggle, which I will mention, which is the turn off automatically. So basically when you're not using the hotspot, you disconnect from it, it will turn off hotspot by itself after several minutes of inactivity, so you won't actually have to remember about turning it off. Now from there, let's leave this, and all you need to do now is find the toggle, tap on it, and it will enable it with the settings that we have chosen. Now I'll also mention that when you enable hotspot, it does turn off Wi-Fi because it doesn't need it to actually broadcast a signal, so you won't be able to use Wi-Fi during this time. Now once you're done with it, you can leave it and it will disconnect itself, or you can also tap on it yourself to disable it whenever you want. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.